Some rooms are public. Some rooms shape what happens next. This July in Geneva, Switzerland, at ITU's AI for Good Global Summit, the world's leading UN platform on AI, Family Office Insights is curating a limited private circle around the European world premiere of Raise, a Michael Nash film executive produced by Leonardo DiCaprio. This exclusive experience sits within the summit's official program, reserved for a select group of leaders driving AI toward a more ethical and equitable future. Qualified guests will gain access to the screening environment, the post-premiere gathering, an opportunity to meet the filmmaker and selected voices connected to the film and summit. All of it is designed through a curated Family Office Insights gateway for meaningful conversations with investors, founders, operators, and global decision makers. If your work, capital, or influence belongs in the conversations shaping what artificial intelligence becomes, request consideration now. Limited places, qualification required.